flying games were just too strong, I guess. Alright, so, actually, alright, so we have Saki and Tornado. So, Sheik versus Ryu. I'm not sure if, Sheik's pretty fast, so I don't know if he can actually get out focus attack on Sheik. Normally she can get a second hit out in time.
I think mostly he'll use the focus attack for the dash cancel, or the dashes.
Yeah, probably for more mobility and combo, and get out of combos. Although, I don't know if you really get out of combos because Sheik's up air is multi-hit. So, I don't know. We'll see.
A lot of things Sheik has are multi-hit. Like needles. There.
Alright, good starting combo.
Forward airs.
Yeah, see, he charges at the focus and Sheik does a fair on the focus, and then he's just able to jump away immediately before it even gets out. Alright, don't get back into a corner, that's what Ryu wants. Maintain some big control.
True Shoryu off the focus attack.
Yes.
He told me that he doesn't mind going to any the Ryu, Tornado. He told me he doesn't mind any stage except for Dreamland. So
really,
and I was asking him, really, you even are fine with, you know, the other ones that most Ryus don't like?
I guess the wind messes his combos up.
Yeah,
sure.
That's the only reason he said he doesn't like it, and you can't full hop to the platforms with Ryu. Apparently, it takes 2 jumps.
Dead? No, not quite. Ryu's pretty heavy.
It's probably the lightest heavy, I think.
I don't know how heavy he is.
I don't know, he feels heavy at least.
He does feel heavy. I'm not sure how heavy he is though. Alright, so she takes Ryu's first stock with classic down throw for up air.
Of course, 67% and the extra credit is always nice. Yep, the focus attacks cancels just for the mobility.
Ooh,
Shield break.
predicts the shield and gets the shield break.
Got the running True Shoryu. I was expecting to talk his cheek. Wow. I'm in suspense, so I just quit talking.
I've just stopped talking. I can't. I'm just watching it. No, this is fun to watch. I really don't have any commentary on it.
Another True Shoryu.
Wow.
That is incredible. Game 1.
So early. Yeah, watch out for rank 1 invincible kill move at 70. You'll die.
The notebook of percentages he keeps really helps.
Yes. Oh man. That was pretty brutal.
Looks like same characters. Well, yeah. Umbra.
Looks like we're going to Umbra.
That is
Apparently this is a Sheik's first stage. I'm not sure why he counted it.
because Ryu has a bad stage here. Well, I mean, it's a bad stage for Ryu too. It's an even higher ceiling than Battlefield, artificially.
No, this is a bad stage for Sheik. Like, I don't think Sheik actually has a guarantee. Like, the down throw up air, it won't kill at kill percent here. Or the kill percent window is really small.
Well, the only thing I can think of is that he doesn't want to get killed by Shoryus as early.
I know that as Sheik, he could probably just crouch a lot of abuse stuff.
Did Needles beat Hadoken, right?
I don't know.
Okay. Because if it beats both, I mean, he could just Needles him out, maybe set up for those, but
like previously, he can actually just crouch, and none of his aerials will be
unless it was like a really, like, unless it's the falling short off of us.
possible, unless you do like a massive affair or something. Otherwise, they're gonna die. Okay, I just actually not get hit by the Tatsu.
Tatsu is deceptively strong.
Yeah, it actually gets stronger the later you hit it. Unlike most dudes, which is stronger near the game.
Well, I mean, it makes sense because it's your fault for walking into it after it's been out so long.
I suppose.
Maybe that was the Dante idea.
Okay,
That is the true Shoryu I can never get is the tilt into the true Shoryu.
yeah.
And then I'm still bad about the right side, but these guys pretty much worked out.
Okay, so that kill. Nori, she has both of her.
Rages, you generally will mess with Sheik.
Yeah. He's like, I think I can little rage, but not too much to extend myself as a heart.
How much would you say is a little rage?
I wouldn't want more than 90.
I think you should have gone for down tilt instead of low tilt during that. Maybe for the...
Okay, breaks the focus so we'll limit it up there.
That's what they... That's what Saki needs to do for the bonuses. Another up tilt into true Shoryu, Tornado will advance.
Your range is 150.
Yeah, that one, anyways. The one that, I'm not sure.